Today's video, let's see what kind of light strip the 30-20 silicone sleeve can match. In this casing, the internal groove is 15 mm wide. Putting it in with a regular-sized light strip may cause insufficient brightness. It is best to use this 15 mm wide light strip. It has 2 rows of lamp beads, and the brightness will be brighter. After the light strip is installed, remember to block both ends with this kind of plug. And seal with glue. This way your light strip will be waterproof and dustproof. For ease of installation, we also have this mounting bracket for fixing silicone sleeves. This card holder is very simple to use. Just snap the light strip into it. Of course, in practical application, you should nail the card holder to the wall first, or nail it somewhere else where you're going to install the light strip. Finally, install the light strip on the card holder. This way your light strip is securely installed. Let's take a look at the use of 2 different light strips. What is the difference between them? The first one is 10 mm wide. And its final brightness will be a little bit worse. But with this 15 mm double row light strip, it's obviously much brighter. The one I have in my hand is a wider silicone sleeve, it's 50/25s. Let's take a look at using the 2 light strips just now. The difference is not more obvious. The 10 mm light strip can no longer illuminate the entire luminous surface of the silicone tube. However, after this double-row lamp bead light strip is installed, you can immediately feel it's bright enough for the entire silicone tube to glow properly. It looks a lot more comfortable. Having said all this, I just want you to understand, when purchasing silicone sleeves, be sure to take into account what kind of light strip you are using. You must ensure that your light strip can fully light up the silicone sleeve, rather than being able to shine. That's a waste of material, and it doesn't look pretty.